wrong side. Oh, welcome to Waggies Travels.
It's not so sunny today.
Oh, I'm Richard and this is
Lisa.
who is cold. We're at Corfe Castle. It's trying to find somewhere to park. It's just manic. The signs are a bit ambiguous and you end up driving miles around the roads to actually get to. But then, having said that,
Oh, the village is gorgeous.
the village is gorgeous, but look, there is Corfe Castle. So anyway, here we go. Oh, you didn't need to know that. We'll go to. No, so we're heading. So anyway, we're going to Corfe Castle, but first of all, okay. So yeah, toilets, right? So we'll be back presently. So this is a walk up from the car park up towards Corfe Castle. The roads, the pavements are very narrow, so it's a case of keep stepping in and out. It is, yeah, as Lisa's just said, it's very, very oldie worldy. Yeah, it's the old church cottage. He's lovely, she's lovely. Anyway, we're making our way through. We're going to have to mask up in a minute. But heading up towards the castle.
Banks Arms.
The Banks Arms, yeah. The Banks Arms, as in the Banks family. Oh, I love it. So, castle entrance is pre-booked ticket holders. So I think we have to go in here first. We'll have to check because I don't know what's the time, because we're not booked in till
12:30.
12:30. What's the time now?
12 o'clock.
12 o'clock. So anyway, we might have to wait for a while.
Jelly beans.
I know some vegan jelly beans, but you found some dolly mixtures.
More dolly mixtures.
Some more dolly. We got some dolly mixtures yesterday, but we get some dolly mixtures today.
Can I have 100 grams of dolly mixtures, please? Can I have a quarter of dolly mixtures, just for old time's sake? Can I just call it a quarter for old time's sake?
Call it what you like.
That's alright. I just feel like about 7 again, that's all.
Look at that dolly mixtures. We was only talking about these the other day.
Anything else?
Yes, and what colour jelly beans do you want?
The normal ones, these are the American ones.
Oh, I'll have the normal ones, please, definitely. Excellent. So you've got dolly mixtures, I've got jelly beans. Yes.
This was my walk to school every day.
So, please keep to the right and have your tickets and membership cards ready. Here you go. Please keep 2 metres apart. Welcome to the castle. Excellent stuff. In we go. So go on, what's this thing called? Announce, because I called it trebuchet.
Trebuchet, I like to call
Trebuchet.
it. But you know,
So it's a massive stone thrower, really.
it's a big catapult.
It's a massive catapult.
Used by the French against King John at Dover Castle. So never been seen in Britain before.
Oh.
Its origins are much older than that, back in China, about 5,000 years ago.
Oh.
So it's Chinese.
And look, there's some stocks.
Oh yeah.
Ooh, stocks. The intelligent one amongst us just
Not
isn't really.
really. What? It's very old. It's very, very old.
So the Brilliant Waggies is old.
Yeah, it goes back further than Ethelred the Unready. And it was rumoured that he advised the king here and then had him stabbed just to make sure he was doubly dead.
Yeah.
So her son Ethelred the Unready is to become king. William the Conqueror, and because where it is, I mean, it's just naturally on such a high aspect. He built a modern day. So he was first. So he built a castle. Then. Henry the First.
Yeah.
He lived here and built on the castle. He put a prison in here as well. Norman people so that he could get the throne. Very expensive, tested for a long time.
He want to be a king or a queen.
Yeah, it's a bit dangerous.
I want to be a queen. Or a
I know,
king.
good John. Nottingham. But,
King John, I think.
that's the one.
Yeah. I can only ever see the Disney film.
Hey, too. Charles the First. He destroyed it.
Yeah.
So the king lived here.
And I'm just reading on a thing. I see that when they run out of gunpowder, they used to tax the local candidate so they could buy.
On the outside, I go social side. When I got sacked, they stole the stone to build their houses.
Yeah.
Hurrah!
Game on. Let's go have a look. Well, even the walk to the castle is here, which is doing its own thing.
Yeah. When you look around, you can see for miles.
Yeah.
We're
We're not even at the top yet, but once we get up the top, we'll you can go right around the top. Once we get there, we'll yeah. I mean, look at the view up the top so far. But let's keep going. Just saying, look at the drop in the entrance to the castle. Yeah, the arches. I don't really listen to them a lot.
If you had to get an idea of how thick the walls were, isn't it?
Crikey. I've just noticed some people going into a little hole right over there. I'll go and have a look. See where the out of the way to hide from the wind, but good a view. There's the Swanee carpet range in the distance here. So we're going to head up to the top of the castle and go around this way. And not a lot of commentary, purely based on the fact that I doubt very much you can hear us because of the wind noise. But the view is just improving all the time. Yeah, when they destroyed it, yeah, I don't think they actually. I don't think it was built like this. Do you? Oh, let's go up and round. What a shame. What a total shame. There's a one-way system. So there's pumpkins hidden everywhere. Well, to say it's a bit windy would be an understatement. But, it is unbelievably windy. Corfe Castle with the realm. Oh, windswept. Oh, I get the only problem when it's windy like this, I get an earache.
Put your head up.
Oh yeah, but then it keeps blowing off.
Yeah.
So, just wait for this. We're gonna wait for this to clear, or are we gonna? What are we gonna do?
Keep on going.
Well, keep going. We'll keep going. For those of you who've been here and know it all, I've seen it. Sorry. For those of you that haven't, we'll waffle as we normally do and just show you about.
If you do know it all, send us a comment.
Yeah, so we know.
It can help us.
Yeah, we're making it up as we go along. Oh look, here comes a train.
Where?
Oh look, so I'm going to just come over here. Here comes a steam train. There you go. Unless it's 1:15. I haven't got a clue what that is. Yeah, what the locomotive is. It's like, I don't know, I can't say. Yeah, I know this is meant to be a castle.